each time you flip it, it gets easier to flip. So this will be the hardest flip. The next day it gets about 10 or 20% easier. By the end, it's just like flipping the regular, or shoveling is very loose. So yeah, so pretty cool. Within 18 days, this basically will transform, or the transformations that we're talking about in class, this is transformed into the finished compost. That's going to have the polysaccharides, which is where fungal networks, actinomycin, the bacteria, and fungal networks are developing in the pile, converting the biomass functionally into stable humic material, or humus. So that's what we're going for. And we're just speeding up what would happen naturally in a more natural condition.